YDI Microlearning. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the policies based on YDI. The government issued Presidential Regulation or Perpres number 66 of 2017 concerning strategic cross-sectoral coordination of youth service. One of the mandates of this regulation is the establishment of Youth Service Coordination Team, hereinafter referred to as the Coordination Team. This team is formed at the national, provincial, and district, city, regency level. One of the tasks carried out by the coordination team is to formulate an action plan according to its level of government. The National Coordination Team is responsible for preparing the National Action Plan, or RAN, which will then serve as a reference for the teams at the provincial and regency or city levels in preparing the Regional Action Plan, or RAD. In preparing both the RAN and RAD, the coordination team needs to undertake at least two main steps: identifying issues related to youth matters and determining policies or programs to address the identified issue. There are various methods to identify problems. One of them is the data analysis method. This method aims to obtain an overview of the issues occurring in each youth-related matter covered in YDI. The steps of this data analysis method are: first, mapping youth condition at the regional level. Next, calculating comparison of each YDI component indicator with the national value and the maximum value of the indicators. Next, data disintegration aimed at obtaining a more specific overview for the policy intervention to be carried out. The other method is the root cause analysis method, or RCA. The steps are: determine and identify potential problems that might arise. Then, collect the relevant data needed. Next, determine and identify the cause of these problems. Next, find the root causes by conducting cause and effect analysis. And then, develop alternative solution and recommendation to address the identified main problems. The whys, the 5 whys, and fishbone diagram are examples of RCA methods. After conducting an analysis to refine the various challenges of each indicator in YDI, the next step is to determine the appropriate policies or program to address these challenges. There are two documents that can serve as reference in determining policies or programs in the youth sector: the National Action Plan, or RAN, for youth service in education domain, and evidence-based policy making for youth well-being published by the OECD. The RAN consists of 5 domains, and within each domain, there are 8 components as displayed on the screen. By using the information contained in the RAN, the action plan drafting team can utilize and various available policies or programs to address the challenges related to the indicator of YDI. In the document Evidence-Based Policy Making for Youth Well-being, there are 4 groups of policies and programs. The various policies available in this document can certainly serve as a reference in formulating policies or programs related to various youth development issues. That's all about the policies based on YDI. See you on the next chapter. Pakatuan wo pakalamiden. Thank you. Have a great learning experience. Bye-bye.